and now we're on YouTube World Live. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. It's nice to see you today with the same channel. We discuss about the Coinbase direct listing from IPO. Everything you need to know. Yeah, this article is quite nice. It's from 7 to 9 minutes for us to discuss about when the Coinbase list to the IPO or direct listing, what the effects, that means how the crypto work, when after Coinbase listing on on the on the stock market, and what it can help with the cryptocurrency. Yeah, choice today with there's Mr. Nicholas and Mr. Khan.
Morning, everyone.
Yeah.
Right. So we continue right now?
Yeah, we continue.
Yeah. So as Richard has just mentioned, this article is talking about Coinbase direct listing, in short DLP, instead of IPO, which is initial public offering. So for those who do not know what's the difference between direct listing and public offering, so the slight difference is that initial public offering IPO, they involve intermediary like stock exchange or some intermediary helping the company for IPO with a lot of processes like underwriting and pushing out the shares to the public and making shares known. So direct listing process basically means that they skip this step. The companies skip the step of having to get an underwriter, which they think that may be too expensive. Yeah. So because intermediaries do charge between 3 to 7% of whatever shares that they are selling. Yeah. So they are saving a little bit of money there, and of course, in many cases, in those companies in general, uh, companies that wants to go for DLP usually are the ones that are well. Now they want to save money and maybe they do not have enough money. But according to the article here,
I don't think
like
so, because the Coinbase.
according to the article here, I think they have quite a lot of money. They just want to save on the percentage so that it is better for their traction when investor come. Another thing is that of course, Coinbase being a exchange themselves, I believe that they are confident in getting their shares to the public. Yeah, so it doesn't have to worry about the part where public confidence, how the share is going to sell. It doesn't have to worry about that. So that's perhaps the main reason why they are going for ELP, right? So back to the article talking about direct listing. Wow, what 90 billion? That's a lot of money.
That's right.
Polling reveals that exchange brought in 320 million profit in revenue over 1.2 billion in
Hello, Team Shaw.
1.2 billion in 2020. So that's a lot of money. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let me say. So you just discussed, and sometimes I say hello to some of our audience on YouTube. So it may have so it may interrupt you for a while. Yeah, and then I can say hello to Miss Kim So, Miss Han, anh chơi, Miss Vô, and Mr. Củ Long. Yeah, and Mr. Nicholas just now said to us about the reason why Coinbase want to do the direct listing. Yeah, with the former. Yeah. Okay, Mr. Nicholas, you can continue the reason why the Coinbase want to to do the direct listing, not
I have pretty much finished with what I want to say.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me share about the audience down here, because the difference between the direct listing and IPO, because uh, the Coinbase choose direct listing because of there are so many restrictions, so many regulations from the SEC. SEC is SEC is a Security Exchange Commission, and Coinbase choose the direct listing. They will floating their stock price. Yeah, that means this is a form S1 of the Coinbase, and we also see some of the basic of the Coinbase in the Coinbase open to public 2012. Yeah, and at that time the Coinbase that's the one of uh, the the exchange in the cryptocurrency, and now we see some of the discussion in their YouTube, in their Twitter, from the Mira Cristano. She shared about the value of the exchange is 28 billion. Yeah, this is based on the crypto market analyst firm of Mercury. And what is the cost base now have to remedy life of the business. The one is a crypto wallet, and the other is the cost base grow, because we can do the trading on the cost base with the fiat currency, not only in fiat currency but also the cryptocurrency. And the question is how does Coinbase make money, and how they um, when the Coinbase listing, what's the listing mean for the cryptocurrency? Yes, we know all the chains make money from the listing fee, from the trading fees, and in all the other margin and the other product they have. Yeah, that is, and the Coinbase is also the competitor with Binance. Yeah, we will see the Binance.us in the, because Binance, they have so many branches around the world. There's Binance.SG, Binance.us, and because different country, different regulation, so they need to adapt it. In Coinbase, on they will serve for mostly for the U.S. citizen. We also see there's not only Coinbase, but also in Gemini Exchange, the Coinbase Exchange, Gemini Exchange, and when the Coinbase listing, what is meaning for the for crypto? Yeah, is a image of the CEO of Coinbase, Grant Armstrong. Is also one of the billionaire when he operates Coinbase. Yeah, and now they Coinbase face a lot of U.S. regulator when do the IPO listing. That's why it choose to it choose to run the it choose to run the direct listing. Yes, and we can see some of the stable coin of the Coinbase that is USDC, USD Coinbase, and nowadays we also see the US USDT is from Tether. Tether is from the Bitfinex.
So this Twitter, I think a couple of years back they have faced some investigation or something like that, right?
No, because last time there's some issue. They
SEC was like
Yeah,
having issues with Tether and some other coins, stable coins or something.
yeah, that's right. And the question they need to find with some of the amounts of money, because when they issue the money is may make the inflation. Yeah. As I see, the teacher is from Bitfinex. Bitfinex is also
Yes.
one of the
Yeah,
largest.
Bitfinex is the one that got into trouble, right?
Yeah, that's right. Uh, the Tether and Bitfinex is look like similar is S1, because the bit the Bitfinex, when they want more fiat, they ask Tether to help them. Yeah, that's.
Yeah.
And secondary market on Nasdaq and FTX, with the Coinbase, when Coinbase listing is will be the secondary market from the Coinbase stock. A lot of trader, they do the trading on FTX. Yeah, then this one. That's after Coinbase joined the stock market, IPO, the crypto markets jump up a lot, and it's make a good movement.